what you need to know before moving to Portugal. How simple it is to get your NISS. Let's talk about getting your NISS, the Número de Identificação de Segurança Social. It's your key to social security in Portugal. Step 1. Download the registration form from the link in the description. Got it? Great. Fill it out with your personal details. Don't worry, it's straightforward. Step 2. Head over to the nearest social security office with your completed form, passport, and proof of address. Easy peasy, right? Once there, submit your documents and they'll handle the rest. You'll get your NISS number soon after. And voila, you're officially part of the Portuguese system. Remember, for more tips and tricks on expat life, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, happy adventuring.